Good morning from Yanshui Shan Mountain. I'm about to start the hike. It is just after 7 and there's already a lot of cars, a lot of people, and it seems to be quite a popular hike. So let's get started. Parking is a little bit limited, so if you didn't camp here the night before, then you might have some difficulty finding parking, which means you're going to hike a bit on the road, but hey, it's part of the fun. Off we go! This is it! I made it to the top of Yanshui Shan, and man, it's quite a party up here. Music is playing, people are just having a good time, and yeah, I can understand why. The view is so beautiful, and the weather today is great. There's not a breeze, it's still nice and cool, because now it's only January. Yeah, so I can understand why people are up here. And I'm glad I did this. This is just gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. trail has become so quiet now. There's not a soul in sight. Oh, I'm loving it. It's magical. I love this. Dead quiet. So this is starting to freak me out a little bit because I've been going down and down and I haven't seen one person yet. So I hope I'm on the right trail. Otherwise, yeah, I'll have to go all the way back. I don't want to do that. So let's hope this is the right one. I can hear some voices, so fingers crossed. This might be it. Yes, yes, look at that. It's the road. I made it. Oh, and it's my car. One last thing. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Press that like button. And if you want to see more, then press the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye.